Derivation of the quadratic formula in 60 seconds. Divide through by a. X squared plus b over a. X equals minus c over a. And so move the c to the other side. A is not equal to 0. If it were, it wouldn't be a quadratic equation. This next step is the only unfamiliar step. It's called completing the square. We add half of the square of this term to both sides of the equation. B squared over 4a squared, add that to both sides. B squared over 4a squared, and just copy this down again. Find the least common denominator. Multiply this through by 4a. And the reason why we did this to the left-hand side was to make this a perfect square. Plus b over 2a, quantity squared, equals b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Now let's take the square root of both sides. The square root of the denominator is just 2a. And now let's subtract b over 2a from both sides, negative b. And what we are left with is the quadratic equation. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a.